check out Northeast Tile Farmer on YouTube for further farming videos. Do it now. Do it now. Do it now before he gets very, very upset. He might not only get upset, he might cry, he might cuss, he might swear, and he just might quit. So go check him out now. Do it now. Ooh, this ought to make cleaning out easier. So was the other one a 10-inch going to a 6-inch?
No, the other one was just a straight 6-inch.
Oh, okay.
All the way to the center.
So this ought to take not as near long to fill the semi.
No.
And about 10 minutes to fill a straight truck.
Probably pretty close.
Yeah. Well, guys, I broke the big mower. Yeah, I broke it. It's not supposed to be like this. Yeah, she broke. Now, it was all from the result of me turning as sharp as I did with 72 and 7800 when it was on the mower. Not supposed to be like that. Yep. She's broke. Lesson learned, I hope. $1,100 for that shaft. Like I said, lesson learned. Oops. Not gonna do that again. So I want to do some more looking at this auger here. It's always that feeling that when you get something new, you just want to look at it for a while and admire it and just go, ooh, you know. I don't even know if the thing, well, yeah, it looks to be white. Ooh, okay, they got enough there. Next year, that's getting something done with it. Whether it come up here over top and then down, but either way, I think we're gonna make it either come underneath this way and up, over and up, or come around to this way in front of this one, like over in here's somewheres. But then if we do that, you gotta crawl over the darn thing to get to that door to clean the bin out. So we'll just have to, and that homemade, yeah, homemade hopper we got, it makes more of a mess because, oh, it's too much for that auger. Or no, it's not enough for that auger because it always makes a mess right there. But with this thing, the nice gentleman said virtually no plugging. So cool. I don't know who makes this, but I know it's gonna be a lot better than the other one here. And the way he told me was there was 2 rods here, and I'm only seeing one. They put the tar around it to keep the thing from leaking, because it's getting bad. Redone the floor, put these easy clean outs in, which are going to make cleaning out a heck of a lot easier. Now you guys can tell why. They got labeled. I'll just have to remember these are in here for when I clean the bin out, that I don't step in them and go down to the sump, and yeah, that wouldn't be pretty. But let's get on with the day for most of it. Anyhow, I think it's gonna be a well-efficient day. Well, good morning, kids. What do you want? Oh, you're trying to tell me, aren't you? Get down. Uh-oh. 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 Well, this ain't good. Yes, I know, you're trying to make sure I'm gonna feed you. Let me get more. Scrape the bottom of the barrel for worthless kitties that don't catch mice. I'm gonna fill that creep feeder again with these 13 buckets that I got here. Oh, and that's not full. I don't know who filled it, but that's not full. And that's not a good sound when the lighting's scraping the end of the bin, or the bottom of the bin. She's empty. Uh-oh. I'll say John Deere offers one of the largest beds on the market. Let's go see now if all 13 buckets will be enough to fill the creep feeder. Yeah, it don't like the weight. It really don't like the weight. Oh well. It's a work vehicle, it's not a play toy. So I don't remember if the last video I did of me filling the creep feeder got uploaded or not. But I'm gonna shut the gate this time. I told you guys I better lock the gate. Because there they are. Something's telling me we're gonna be close to filling it with these 13 buckets. Well, I have to remember to bring probably 4 more buckets next time, so 13, 15, so 17 buckets. But every little bit counted that I crammed in the top of them buckets like that. And just like that, the suspension comes right back up to where it should be. Cool. I think if I got time today, well, I just let that shock go till it pukes out, and then I'll put the other one on. 20 bucks to feed to fill that feeder. Wow, that's a lot. And flat tires suck too. This one, it's on the cleat this time. I put air in it every so often. That's good enough. Well, miracles do come true. She had a calf overnight. Right there. That little girl. I don't know if you guys can see her or not. Just figured I'd try to get a little video of new baby. And you got a hurt foot, I know. You can hardly walk. But she's a different color. I'm not gonna touch her or nothing because I don't want mother to go nutsos. You got a little brown in you. Yeah. Oh, good mommy. Okay, I'm leaving. Such a cute pair. So I just got chewed out for letting the gate turn the fencer off. But I hate these darn things. I just... No shocky. I'm just paranoid of the damn things. Hate them. Just absolutely hate them. Nah, that ain't wide enough to get through. Oh boy. There. I feel like a dummy all the time because I can't answer your guys' questions about, you know, what we plant, how much we plant, what's the seed population, and why we have the minerals that we do. But that's what we use. And the cows love it. So here's our mineral feeder, this Archway, or yeah, Easy Way feeder for minerals. This is where the fly repellent would go, but we don't have any in here right now. I'll be darned, yes we do. You guys hear that? This feeder, it's a lot better design than what we used to use. Used to just, well, you guys can watch me yibber yabber as I fill the thing. It's a lot better design than with the old other. It was a concrete block that we had set up. Oh shoot. Did I do that? Oops. Now why did I go and do that? But yeah, we had no way of putting minerals out here to them. Years ago, we just used like a homemade bucket or something, and just what the heck do we got there coming? Huh. Was just a horse trailer getting hay, so no biggie.